Yes, guys, welcome back to the Mag 4K World Tour. Yeah, in Yallahs, St. Thomas. Wait, Yallahs. Okay, Yallahs, St. Thomas. Yes, guys. So right here, so this is the original jerk man in Yallahs here. So we actually I'll get piece of chicken from him right here. Yeah, man. Yeah, so the man name?
Me a bigger five and my general a Bossy the artist over there. So.
Bossy?
Yeah, Bossy.
Bossy D?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So alright, yeah, so we are going to have a lunch, you know?
Yeah, man.
So look at it. Look at the nice jerk chicken.
Nice buffalo breast for the boss.
Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah.
I put 2 festival on top as well, guys. 2
Yes.
festival on there, you know?
Yeah.
And that is for 1,000 Jamaican dollars.
Huh?
I say it look nice already.
Yes.
Well, but no fine food.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Of course, I have that back, you know?
I have a seat anyway.
You can have a seat around there? Okay.
Here a bench.
Okay.
Have a seat and enjoy it.
Yeah. Right in your last town here, guys.
Yes.
Come through, man.
You can come through.
Alright, video man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And right across the road is a pork man over there, so guys, then a mix pork with chicken, so a chicken man, a pork man. Yeah, man. So we're going to actually go check out the pork man later on, you know. All right. Yeah. Yeah, man. Kurt. Yeah, man. Oh, illegal, yes, sir. All right. Eh? Oh.
This is a bad juice, Guinea.
Guinea.
I want to try. This is Guinea. I have a real load. This is Guinea and Joe Plum.
Really?
$300.
Guinea and Joe Plum.
This is Joe Plum.
Oh, that's a Joe Plum.
Yeah, Joe Plum. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, man. So, chicken leg me want, you know. Yeah.
Come on, this is our place.
This is the place?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Black sheep ends, you know?
Oh, black sheep and right as well.
Black sheep, I be a black sheep there, and they never see police are coming from terrorize me or nothing, and I hear everybody always come.
Oh, okay.
So must be good about the black sheep.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
Big some of the bigger fire.
Yeah, man. Okay. Oh, so I quarters over there, so?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then the police station, so we don't have to
And the quarters over there, so? Yeah, guys. But a lot of music I play around the area, you know? Yeah.
Let me see.
We don't give much about food.
Okay, guys, so this is my lunch for today, you know?
I want that green top.
Okay. 2 festival and my jerk chicken, you know?
Much about food, much hungry, you know? Yeah. You're hungry, man.
When I go sample plug across the road, you know? Okay, that is a school bus. Wow. Yeah. All right, some more chicken going on the grill here now. Yeah. All right, my brethren. So we are gonna move here.
Alright, Bob.
You gotta take care of yourself till. Okay, so we are go down on the beach side, you know. Okay. All right, guys. So I'll take a walk down at the beach, you know. Yeah. Okay, right across the road they have a juicy beef patty over there. Yeah. Jerk pork? Huh? Okay. How you selling? Half pound, yeah?
1,500.
1,500.
Yeah, can get quarter pound.
Okay. Like YouTube, I know.
YouTuber.
Yeah. No problem. Okay, alright. Alright. Alright, guys, me I gotta check out the pork man up here, so you know? See what we have up here, you know? Eh? Yeah, man. So what's my name? No, German. Okay, so this is the jerk pork.
Yeah.
Alright. It look nice at all. Yeah, man. Alright, so how you say selling?
You can get quarter pound, you can get half pound, you can get a pound.
Okay.
$1,000 worth.
Okay. Alright, so let me try $1,000 worth now.
$1,000.
Yeah, man. I'll try the pork, you know?
Yeah, but the pork you're trying to.
Yes, man. Yeah,
Wicked man, yeah, man. Wicked.
yeah man. Look pork, you look wicked, you know?
Bad.
Can't come to St. Thomas and not try the pork, you know?
Yeah. Baddest thing on the market.
Really? Okay. Alright.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Anybody over the world, you know?
Yeah.
14 globe can come in, can try it.
Yeah.
That's why they see that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bad.
Yeah, man. So you do chicken too?
Yeah.
Oh, you do both pork and chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. Soup? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh, that I blend pepper in this, oh. Yeah, man, put little pepper on it, man. Yeah, man, give me a little pepper. Oh, that I got hot, man.
Too much?
Too much pepper. Okay, alright. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna try my jerk pork here now, you know?
I went to my father's place. Listen, man. I went to my father's place. My house cost a lot of money, man. I'll tell you.
Oh, finish with it, man. Really? Alright, finish and do, yeah. Alright, guys, so we leave out. Yeah. Just take a drive down to the beach and come back, you know? Yeah. Yes. So this is the
Yallahs Bay.
Yallahs Bay town, you know?
Yes, Yallahs Bay town, guys. And this is where people normally would wait for the buses and things like that. So this is Yallahs Bay, you know, so everybody wait around here for the buses and things like that. Yes, nice place, man. You come that road, guys, but you can't forget this place, man. Jeez, beautiful Jamaica.
Yeah. So it's along your west turn right here?
Yes, this way, yes.
No, can't hear, sir.
Yeah, man, I hear someone.
Yes, I forgot down the. No, man.
Oh, wait, with the beach, you
Yeah.
thought? No, Bailey's Beach, for we're about the church.
Oh,
Yes. Yeah, meant to pass on church for Bailey's Beach. Yeah.
okay. I'm impressed over the road still, you know?
Yes, man, I'm in person on the road
Yeah.
and everything is nice.
Yeah, man. The road is nice. I saw the whole of Jamaica road should stay.
Yeah,
Yeah, just like this.
yes.
Yes. Yeah, man.
there, so. The gas station is back down here, so you know.
Your gas station is back down here, so. I wonder for this road here.
That must be this road here, man. It must be this road. Me know only.
Yes, alright guys, so I'm going to end this one right here in Yallahs St. Thomas. Yeah, can't find the beach, so guess what? We just end it right here. So thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel, and I see you in the other one. Bye bye for now. Alright. Yallahs post office.
Come on. Post office is still there.
And that is the 7-day church right across there.